Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, just hit the subscribe button below and subscribe for more videos. So on this video, I'm just going to be cleaning my kitchen. It's like a cleaning motivation video. Like, I love doing these videos and I love to clean. Like, I'm cleaning almost all the time. At the minute, it's just a mess because I was just cooking dinner and making laundry at the same time and also feeding kids at the same time. So I've got dishes, a lot of dishes to wash, and my kitchen counter is a mess. So, and I need to polish my floor. I recently purchased this polish to shine your floors, and I got it from Amazon. So I've been trying it for a couple of days now, and oh my god, my kitchen floor is just looking wow. So I thought I'll give it another second try, and I'll just show you guys how I use it, and I'll just show you the products that I use to clean my kitchen. And yeah, just keep on watching if you want to see. So let's go. So every time when I'm cleaning in any room, I always have to light the candle. So this is the candle that I'm using, and I got it from the range, and it smells really, really nice. It's a tropical breeze. I always have to have a candle on when I'm cooking or when I'm cleaning. So I use this all around the kitchen. I just spray it around the house because it smells so nice. So when I finish cleaning the sink or washing the dishes, I always use this just to pour it down the drains. I use it in all of the sinks in the bathroom and the toilet, and also here. It just makes the drain smell nice. this mop from the range, and what I normally do is just pour some washing liquid in it, and a little bit of water, and just plug that baby in there. I'll just show you how I use it. I use it for when I'm mopping the floor in the kitchen and in the living room. So I got this flawless high gloss polish from Amazon, and it works marvelous on any type of floor. It makes your house really sparkly and really shiny and clean. So I just wait for the floor to dry, and then I apply this on the floor twice. The first time I just apply it and then wait for like 20 to 30 minutes to dry, and then apply a second coat. So this is how the house is looking after a full thoroughly cleaning. I'm always cleaning my kitchen because it's the only place that I spend most of my time in, and when I'm cooking I like a clean kitchen. So this is how it's looking, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much guys for tuning in, and I'll see you soon.